Good evening. This is Kendrick Reed. I'm on the job site. As you can see, I'm on top of the world, downtown. You have to watch your step. You don't give it one chance to fuck up. I'm working on a commercial unit. And what I'll be doing today is changing out a capacitor and looking cool while doing it at the same time. This is the new capacitor, as you can see. And out with the old, as they say, out with the old and in with the new. What you doing? Doing a little job on the roof. It's hot as fuck. Hardest thing about this job is trying to motherfucking act like you're not hot and explain things to your customer. You just want to be like, shut the fuck up. I'm hot as fuck. Pay me. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Somebody might see this and pay me. And you have to watch out not to motherfucking get electrocuted. Get your ass shot, fall off the roof. You don't know what your body gonna do when it getting electrocuted. You might just flip face first. Righty. See what we have here. Old capacitor. Let's see. Yeah, we had an old one right there. I'll get back to you after these commercial messages.